Hello, today I would like to discuss some of the questions that were asked in NATA. So, these are actually quite similar to the problems that we have already done in class. Okay, so this might seem quite, easier for you. Okay, so we'll start with the first question. ABCDE is a regular pentagon. O is a point inside the pentagon such that AOB is an equilateral triangle. What is angle OEA? Okay, so you're given a regular pentagon and there's a point inside that forms an equilateral triangle, and you're asked to find out the angle OEA. Okay, fine. So you know that internal angle of a regular pentagon, okay, internal angle of a regular pentagon is 108 degree. So you can actually join the lines OE and OD so that you get some triangles over there for the easiness of the problem. Okay, fine. So you know that the internal angle of a regular pentagon is 108 degree. Okay, fine. So you may consider angle EAB and EDC. These are angles of a pentagon, right? So that's 108, not 180. Okay, that's 108. Okay. Similarly, when you consider the angle OAB, you get it as 60 because it's already given in the question that what is called the triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. So once you got these two angles like 108 and 60, you can easily find out angle EAO, which is 108 minus 60, which is 48. Okay. So as the triangle OAB is equilateral, you have all the sides of it as equal, which is OA is equal to OB is equal to AB. Now, as it's given in the question that it's a regular pentagon, you have AB is equal to AE, which means triangle AEO, okay, triangle AEO that forms an isosceles triangle where AO is equal to EA. Now, you know that angles opposite to equal sides are equal, right? So you get angle AEO is equal to AOE is equal to X. You can put that as X. So you can actually consider the triangle AEO now. Okay, so you have just one unknown, which is angle OAE. So when you substitute the value for X, you get the value of OEA. Okay, OEA would be 66. Okay, OEA would be 66. So I hope that question was clear. Now, moving on to the other question. Find the area of the composite shape in the given figure. Okay, fine. So you're given a figure, some markings are actually given. So it's actually evident from the figure that, the area of the whole figure is nothing but the area of the triangle plus the area of the rectangle, right? So you may consider as, the area of the figure as area of triangle EDC. For the easiness, I have named all that. Okay, area of triangle EDC plus area of rectangle ABCD. You know that the area of rectangle is nothing but length into width or length into breadth. So you get 6 into 5, which is 30. Now, area of the triangle means half into base into height. So the total length 8 centimeter, where in the lower portion when you reduce that you get 3 as a height, right? So you will get 3 into half into 6. Okay, so you get the area of triangle. So when you sum it up, you get the answer as 39 centimeter square. So I hope this question is also made clear. Now, the next question. A chord AB of length 20 centimeters at a distance of 4 centimeter from the center O of a circle. Find the radius of the circle. Okay, so you're given a chord, you're given some perpendicular line from there, and you're asked to find out the radius of the circle. Okay, so you know that any perpendicular a perpendicular line dropped from the center of the circle to the chord would bisect the circle. Okay, a perpendicular drop from the center of the circle would bisect the chord. Okay, fine. So you can name that bisection point as C. So you get AC is equal to BC is equal to 10 centimeter. Now you may consider, the right angle triangle AOC. Okay, so you can apply Pythagoras theorem and you can obtain the area of, you can obtain the radius of this particular circle. Okay, so that's OA square is equal to AC square plus OC square, which is equal to 16 plus 100, which means you get the answer as 2 root 29 centimeter. Okay, so I hope this question is clear, right? Yeah. So we'll move on with the next question. In the given figure, if the area of the blue shaded right angle triangle is 1 centimeter, then find the area of the square ABCD. As you can see in the figure, ABCD is the largest square. You're given the shaded portion, area of the shaded portion. So once you got the area of the shaded portion, that's nothing but a simple triangle. So you can apply half into base into height, and then you can find out what is the perpendicular, like what is the side, actually what is the side of that particular what is called the triangle. Once you got the side of that particular triangle, you will be able to calculate the side of that small what is called rectangle, which is enclosed in the bigger rectangle, or square. Sorry, I'm not talking about the rectangle, I'm talking about the square. Okay, fine. So you may consider the side of square as 2 root 2. You will get that, right? So when you find out the area, or when you find out the area of that particular square, you get it as 8 centimeter square. It's the area, okay? When you calculate the area, you get a square, which is 8 centimeter square. So you may calculate the area of ABCD as 16 centimeter, because the area of ABCD is nothing but twice the area of LMNO. Okay. Moving on to the next question. In the given figure, it's given that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral such that angle ADB is equal to 50 degree, angle DCA is equal to 70 degree. We are asked to find out the angle DAB. Okay, fine. You know that angle on the same segment are equal. Okay, angle on the same segment are equal for cyclic quadrilateral. Angles opposite constitute 180 degree and all that. Okay, so here we use the thing angles in the same segment are equal. Okay, so when angles on the same segment are equal, you get angle ACD is equal to angle ABD is equal to 70 degree. Okay, fine. Now you may actually consider that smaller triangle, which is ABD. Now you know that the sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So once you get that, you know all the other angles. So you get BAD as 60 degree. Okay, so I hope this question is made clear. Thank you. That's all.